The situation with your specific person may seem daunting right now, but it's not as significant as it might seem at first glance. While it feels like you're powerless against what's happening around you, the truth is, you have more influence than you think. The specific person you hold dear can truly become part of your life. Manifestation aligns your energy with theirs in the physical world. Although it may feel like you're not in control, your reality is a mirror of your inner thoughts and beliefs, constantly shaping the experiences you face in the tangible world. Rather than feeling trapped by the difficulties of your current situation, keep in mind that the ability to manifest the relationship you want with that special person lies within you. If you dig deeper or look online, you'll find countless stories of people who've successfully drawn their ideal relationship into reality, even when the odds seemed stacked against them. One constant you can rely on is that circumstances are always shifting. Life is ever evolving, and you possess the power to shape the result you desire. You might feel that your situation is unique, that your circumstances are completely different, and that the guidance I'm offering doesn't apply to you. But trust me, that's not the case. The reality you experience is shaped by your beliefs. This principle holds true for everyone, regardless of whether it leads to positive or negative outcomes. Now think about this. Can you let yourself imagine the best possible outcome with that special person, even if only as a possibility? Can you truly visualize and feel what it would be like to experience your ideal situation with them? The moment you start embracing the emotions of being with them and see yourself in that reality, something significant shifts. As we've touched on before with energy alignment, the elements needed to create your desired outcome begin to fall into place the moment you tap into that feeling. The real focus isn't on the person themselves, but on the emotional frequency you're attuned to. Rather than thinking of it as a specific person, it's more accurate to see it as a special emotional vibration. What you attract into your life is determined by the strength and depth of your emotional energy. Ultimately, it's not the individual that matters, but the emotions you associate with them. The true key is in cultivating those feelings, as they signal that this person is either already in your life or on their way. Unfortunately, rather than focusing on those emotions, you may find yourself fixating on the physical limitations of the three-dimensional world that surrounds you. Why are they ignoring me? Why are they with someone else? Why do they leave me feeling isolated at home? Why won't they talk to me? Why aren't they spending time with me? Why can't I keep their attention? Why does it feel like our relationship lacks the depth and connection I crave? In other words, you're spending a great deal of your time, or more importantly, your energy, believing that your current situation is fixed and unchangeable. The law of attraction reminds us that whatever we focus on expands in our lives. So why put your attention on the things you don't want when you could be directing your energy toward what you truly want to manifest? I invite you to take a moment and reflect on whether you've played a role in shaping the current circumstances you're facing. Your influence is intricately tied to the reality you're experiencing. Shift your attention toward the new reality you wish to create with that special person. Remember, You are actively co-creating your life alongside divine forces. The key to manifesting a more fulfilling reality is directing your focus toward the emotions you want to feel. When you deeply immerse yourself in the attention and connection you long for from that person, and intentionally nurture the emotions you experience when you're with them, you set in motion a powerful process that starts to transform your current situation into the reality you truly desire. I want to stress this point again. As you concentrate on the emotions tied to being with that special person, your external reality will begin to adjust to match those feelings. Let go of longing, neediness, hoping, and pleading. Instead, allow yourself to enter a meditative state or drift asleep while deeply connected to the emotions you wish to feel when you're with them, aligning yourself with that emotional frequency. Say to yourself, "I feel incredible when they reach out to me. The attention they give makes me feel truly appreciated. It's such a special and cherished feeling when they open up to me and treat me as their most trusted confidant." Don't let this mindset dominate your entire day. Avoid getting caught up in these thoughts constantly. Instead, dedicate a few moments before bed, upon waking, or at any time during the day for a short 1-minute visualization exercise paired with a quick meditation session. Here's a straightforward guide to encourage a positive shift in their behavior and perspective towards you. Visualize their affection and attention for you growing stronger. When you're together, notice how effortlessly you complement each other. Cherish the meaningful moments you share in each other's presence. Recognize how both of you feel valued and appreciated by one another. Embrace the genuine care and thoughtfulness you both express. Focus on the mutual attraction and natural desire that exists between you. Make a deliberate effort to focus on these positive aspects. As you immerse yourself in the emotions of being with your ideal person, the reality of spending time together draws nearer. You're worthy of experiencing these feelings, whether it's with them or someone even better, because the universe is always working in your favor, crafting your reality based on the emotions you cultivate. Never put anyone on a pedestal or see them as more important than you. Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more on manifestation and the law of attraction. Don't miss our next powerful video. Warning: after this video, they'll chase you like never before. Join our membership for just 99 cents to get early access to all new videos and exclusive content, all available from the description below. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Remember, you have the power to create your dream life, and we're here to support you. Wishing you positivity and growth on your journey.